again, for those of you that follow my blog, you know that I was on a quest for a leather skirt. And I went to H&M and I found my leather skirt amongst other leather pieces. And I tell y'all right now, I never thought that I would ever be the girl to wear leather clothing. I love my leather jackets, but I never thought that I would wear leather clothing. It just didn't really appeal to me. Very New Jack City-ish. Yeah. However, I am all over the leather this season. I'm loving this trend right now. And I am going to soak it up because I don't know if it'll ever come back around again. So with that being said, I got this faux leather pencil skirt. And it actually ties. You guys know I love a pencil skirt, so this definitely will come into use. And this one was $35.95, which I didn't mind paying because this is exactly what I went to H&M for. So definitely gonna wear that. Okay, this next item, let me tell you again, like I told you, I'm not one for leather. So I saw these leather pants and I'm sitting there like, really? They're cute, but where the heck am I going in some leather pants? Definitely not my thing. So I was like, you know what? Let me try it on for Who Highs. Huh. Tried it on and love them. They fit me so right. They hugged me so right. Love them. So yes, I am definitely stepping out of my comfort zone, and I am definitely going to be rocking me a pair of leather pants this season. Yes, I am, y'all. You heard it here. And these are the pants. These cognac pants. They have, I guess, like a spandex paneling on the side to give it, I guess, some stretch. And the thing that I love, oh, and it's tapered at the bottom. But the thing that I really love most about these pants is one of the reasons why I never gravitated towards leather clothing was because it's hot. I mean, you sweat, you can't breathe. It's just, I can't. It's so uncomfortable in my opinion. However, these have this nice, soft, I don't know what material this is, but whatever it is, it's nice. It has a nice feel to it. So you can breathe. Love that about them. So yes, this is the back, no pockets, and these were $24.95. So yes, definitely going to rock these. I'm probably going to put this on with like an animal print shoe and a blouse and work it on out. Maybe a blazer, I don't know, but I'm definitely going to get a use or two out of that. And my last faux leather piece, yes, I got 3, guys. Went overboard. I told you, this trend, I'm going to live it up. This is a faux leather jumper. It has the silver exposed zipper in the back. And let me tell you why I got this as well as the black skirt. At first I was going to choose between one or the other, but I like the versatility of this. Number 1, the shape is completely different from the leather skirt. Number 2, this is a 2-in-1. I can throw a blouse underneath here, a shirt underneath here, and wear it as a, you know, jumper. I can wear it without a shirt underneath, belt it, and wear it as just a dress. I can also wear a shirt on top of it, belt it, and wear it as a skirt. So the versatility in this dress is what made me get this as well as a pencil skirt. Yeah, so I'm really hoping that I get some great use out of that. And y'all, that looks like that was all of my H&M haul. So I'm going to move on to my Forever 21 stuff. It's not a lot, just a couple of items. So again, if you follow my blog, you know that I wanted a oversized boyfriend shirt. So I got a white oversized boyfriend shirt for $14.50 Forever 21, and I got it big because I want that big type of loose fit. I also got this leopard cardigan for $19.80, and a cardigan you can pretty much throw on with any and everything. I don't think you can really go wrong with the cardigan. And this is cute too because it can put a little pizzazz in your work outfits. If you want to put on like a flared wide leg trouser and throw this on, it'll kind of funk up your little normal work routine. Love the color of this dress. I thought it was so pretty. So I was like, you know what? I am going to buy it. And I don't know what these little specks are. They look like, I don't know, little S's, but anyway, they have little black specks on them. They also have the little tie that's in now in the reverse colors. It has the buttons in the front, 2 pockets here. It came with the belt, the button cuffed sleeve, and yes, very flowy. And I'm probably going to do that with some tights and a cute boot for the fall. And my next thing I got, that was it from Forever 21. I got this little maxi cheetah print leopard dress from Loehmann's. And I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's actually sheer from the knee down. It's sheer, which I kind of like, even though I probably will be wearing tights underneath it anyway. And yes, I love it. And I love the fact that it's a cinched waist. Now let me tell y'all why I am so drawn to a cinched waist. I don't know if you guys notice or not, but I'm shaped like this. Yep, I call myself SpongeBob SquarePants because I am just straight down, just straight. Not a curve, hip, nothing, just straight. So a cinched waist for me gives me the illusion that I'm like this versus this. So that's why I love a cinched waist. I love a belt because it really gives me some type of shape. So yes, and this was $29.99. Last thing was this little dress from Target. It's this little floral dress. It has the lace on the sleeves, the trim, and I love that. I think it's so pretty. It's lined with a black little slinky dress underneath. It came with a little belt, which I probably would not wear with this. I'll probably put my own belt in. And it was $24.99. Now, when I actually, and it's like kind of like a scoop neck. When I first saw this dress, I tried it on and I was kind of hesitant on it because it was $25. I was like, do I really want to pay $25 for that dress? It's cute, but is it really that cute? And then my boyfriend was like, no, it looks good, it's cute, I like this. So I was like, really? Okay, let me get it. So yes, I'm definitely probably going to throw this on with some tights and a bootie or a wedge. And I can even actually throw a motorcycle boot on with this if I want to give it kind of a edgy type of casual look. So yes, guys, that is all. Oh, no, I lied. And I also got this from Forever 21. This was, I think, $65. Yes, it's like this hammered gold statement necklace, and I love it. I think it's so pretty. I love the sheen to it. When the light hits it, it glistens a certain way. Okay, I am being so extra. It's time for me to go to bed. So yes, so that is all, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Again, thank you guys for subscribing. Thank you for your support. Love you guys much. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Bye.